Thank
Wapi
you.
makelele ya KamaNu.
Asante.
KamaNu, the energy that you're bringing to the studio this evening. Woo! Na najua pia watu wa Meru na all across the country wamefurahi sana. Remember the hashtag for today is 10/10. Uko fiti?
Niko fiti sana. Kwanza wa Meru wamesema nikusalimie. Salimika.
Antova Meru nimepokea salamu. Nimepokea salamu. You know they say Kisis and Merus were cousins.
Actually, yes. That's true.
Sijui ni hasira. Wanasemanga, unajua when they say this, wanakuanga na jokes. So wanasema yani, Wameru na Wakisi wanakuanga na hasira. So nataka kuuliza, KamaNu unakuanga na hasira?
Apo right baita is a pretender.
So kahasira iko?
I have a right to remain silent.
All right. Na mimi pia hapa representing nitasema I have a right to remain silent. It's so good to see you. Last time I saw you was at 47 million reasons.
Oh,
yeah, it was time of COVID.
That was amazing. Yeah,
imagine.
Yeah, actually, yeah. True.
Lakini umekuwa ukirelease mamziki?
Nakuwa nikirelease mamziki.
Yeah, how's the reception been?
You see, I'll tell you one short story. Enye mnajua hata nyinyi wenye mko hapa. Wameru tu na history mrefu sana ya muziki. Si ni kweli? Tuambiane ukweli? Si ndio? I'm a truthful man. So,
wanasema ati ni jaba tu.
Jaba. Sisi tuna supply tuna jaba.
Kabla muziki mulikuwa tu stories za jaba.
Bas, sasa what has been happening is pia tuna release muziki lakini kwanza tunaisukuma pia ndio iappreciatiwe. Because ile wimbo tuliimbiwa Wameru wajui kuimba, we almost believed it. So now most of the time unatumia enye umetoka studio, ukitoka studio pia unakuja unafanya marketing mingi sana. So that is how we've been busy trying to have a paradigm shift of the perception that we cannot sing.
And this is a question I want to ask Kenyans. Now, watu wenye kwa studio, be honest, right? Kama ni tuseme, if you're not Meru, do you listen to Meru music? Let me get a microphone. Let me get a microphone here. Come. Umesema zi. Wewe ni Meru. Wewe usikiza muziki za
Cash money vitamin umeyo.
Yo.
Cash money vitamin umeyo.
Yo.
Cash money vitamin umeyo. Nikaenda kuimeka kaveka zote yo.
Goja. Hiyo ni ngoma yako. Sijasema ngoma. #10/10. Unasikizanga muziki za watu wengine?
Atusidanganya lakini hapana.
Yeah, because my next question to you is, I mean, clearly people don't listen to, from other tribes, right?
Understandable.
Yeah, but like, so sazile tuseme Calligraph na release ngoma na yeye anafanya tu yani in English and Kiswahili, and it cuts across because this is in national languages. Does it put you at a disadvantage because a lot of your audience hawaelewi language?
Not quite. Because you see, this is something that personally I've done for the last 18 years.
Wow.
Yes. From passion.
KamaNu, unajua kuna mtu hapa kwa 18. Wow.
Yes.
Wapi makofi ya KamaNu?
Thank you very much. And the first step is to be accepted at home. And the next step, nationally. And then internationally.
So do you foresee a day, yani, there's a Meru hit song and it's the biggest song in the country?
And it's not far from today. Yeah. Yes, I promise you.
I'm looking forward to that, KamaNu. Thank you so much. I know your fans are watching.
Oh, yes.
And they're like, KamaNu, what do you have for us? What are you cooking?
I'm cooking a couple of stuff. There's some song we've done with a band from France, from Paris. We're cooking something together.
Hey, Kimeru na France.
Kimeru na France, my friend.
Yani wiwi na Antova Meru.
Hey. Inki bwana. Hapana cheza na wazizi wa Meru.
All right, I'm excited about that.
And then there's a friend of ours coming in from Finland. and we're going to do something together. So that now we try and see how we fuse folk. Welcome, the emperor, the champion, the conqueror is here. So that kind of thing in the Kimeru folk and now in the, the other kind of culture. That we have that blend of something explosive.
All right, so Kenyans, it's up to you. Either wanze kusikiza Kimeru sahi, from KamaNu, whatever tribe you are, all 47 counties, ama mambo ni matatu. Utakuwa tu unasikia Wameru wamefika Finland. Wameru wamefika
Paris.
Alafu sasa imekuwa international, unasema I love Kimeru. Make some noise for KamaNu.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming.